You crack your knuckles. Someone says it causes arthritis. They're wrong. That popping sound isn't bones grinding, it's bubbles bursting. Your joints have fluid called synovial fluid. It contains dissolved gases, mostly carbon dioxide. When you pull or bend a joint, you expand the space inside. Pressure drops. Gas bubbles form instantly. Then they collapse. That collapse makes the pop. Studies have tracked people who crack their knuckles for decades. No link to arthritis. The only real risk? Annoying everyone around you. The pop takes about 20 minutes to recharge because the gas needs time to dissolve back into the fluid.